Aloha Lash Babe, Christine here, and I'm going to talk about one of our best sellers called Cure. Cure can actually come by itself in one of our paper barrels, or it also comes in our triple threat. The triple threat actually comes with Prep, Cure, and Boost. So I want to talk about how to use Cure. We're going to bring in our handy dandy mannequin, and you're going to need one of these. These are microfiber brushes, and also I always have these glue wipes handy. If there is any excess liquid, you can just basically dab the excess right there. But less is more, and all you need is actually just about one drop. Like so. And like I said, if you have any excess liquid, you can just dab it on the glue wipe on the side. Now, how you want to use Cure is you want to use this after you're done with applying extensions on your client. And then you're going to take Cure and basically swipe it on the lashes. I also like to go over it another time right on the root where you applied the adhesive, and then also underneath. Okay? And you would repeat on the other side as well.